Okay, this is not beautiful, but it's going to work. So there it is, the whole single bed, not full single size, but this is what I've done with my Casita so that I'll have more floor space. I'll pick this video up in a minute and show you what I've done to make changes in here. I removed the back. Well, first of all, I'm back up and get a little perspective here. What's not in the trailer right now is the big dining table. This is a Spirit Deluxe, so it has a bathroom. And as soon as I got this trailer, I started wondering what I might be able to do to change the layout to make it more spacious in here, and I finally got it, I think. Mostly I have it. So the big tabletop is gone. It's in my garage. The back cushions to the couches, which would go along there, and the same on the port side. We're looking aft, starboard window. TV's right above us. And so the tabletop's gone. I moved the dinette table to this spot. That's the forward floor mount. There's two floor mounts back there for the diner or dinette, the big dining table, which was just in the way for me. So the other floor mount is under all that stuff next to those boxes. So I have about 28 inches of width of support under there from back coming forward. And now, so the front hole clears, allows me to put the pole in and put the dinette table in there. And what's better is I can turn it so that it's cantilevered over this way. I'm sitting straight across from the stove. There's the bedding back there, coped into the corners. And this little table's here, so I can pivot it over towards me and still use it as a side table. The monitor's up there. For support under the bed, let me get this back out of the way, are the two back cushions from the forward dinette seats. So I just have a lot more floor space and leg room here now. And enough tabletop. But I think what I'm going to do is make another one just like the little dinette one that we're looking at, and put it back over where the original one went, because I have two extra poles now. The two poles that went with the big dining table, they're both in the storage closet. I can pull one out, make another top just like that, steal one of the mounts off the bottom of the dining table and put it on the new small dinette top. So I will then have two twin tops. One can sit aft in that position, and the other I can put right here in the dinette spot, which is right there. Now my back's up against the stove and sink, and I'm looking down at the front dinette. So there's the cutoffs from the memory foam. that was way easier than I thought it would be. And it wasn't my original idea to cut it upside down like I did, but once I drew the line and I was looking at it, it was just the natural way to do it. And it cut right through it. And I don't see any scraps on the floor. Right there is where I cut it. There's no foam down there that I can see. So cool, it worked. That worked good.